Welcome to AGORACOM, the Small Cap Epicenter, and AGORACOM TV, a daily, fast-paced, edgy show bringing the best press release out of the small cap space every morning at the open so you can hopefully profit from them and maybe find your next great small cap investments. Friday, April the 15th, despite the fact that it's a Friday and typically a slow news cycle day, 5 press releases for you all over the place, U.S., Canada. Let's get straight to it. First up, Focus Metals trades on the venture into FMS. They announced a $15 million bought deal private placement. I like these kind of deals because it shows great confidence at the institutional level. This is an agreement with a syndicate that's being led by Corp, Byron Capital, and Desjardins are also jumping into this. They've agreed to buy 15 million units of the company on a bought deal private placement at $1 per unit. The company has opened up today $1.07, up 5 cents on about 46,000 shares. So it looks like the market likes this news right now. They've got a whole bunch of warrants and half warrants on, so go take a look at those details. What you should know about the company is they closed yesterday at $1.02. Their 52-week trading range has been unbelievable. 5 cents on the low, $1.78 on the high. So they're pretty much dead smack in the middle of that 52-week trading range. They've had a great run. They've come way off the highs, but it's a good company. They've got some great graphite and some rare earth element projects that you need to take a look at. So congratulations, my friend Gary Economo and everyone over at Focus Metals. Next up, little news about AGORACOM. Extreme Biodiesel has launched an online IR program through us. They're currently trading under the name BookMerge Technology, but they're doing business as Extreme Biodiesel, BRKM. This company founded in 2003 that produces, distributes user-friendly alternative energy products. They're focusing on biodiesel right now. Here, their profit centers, biodiesel fuel for virtually any diesel engine. Home processors. They currently market 5 different extreme extractor personal biodiesel processors. Glycerin, the only waste product from the product production of biodiesel, is sold for approximately 35 cents per gallon without treatment. And their IRS credit and rebate program, they've completed their IRS registration. Their EPA certification is pending. That's for $1 in tax credit rebate and 79.6 cents per rebate. It looks like that's respectively for every gallon of biodiesel produced. Closed yesterday at 10 cents. Don't take that as much of an indication because they've just started their IR program and getting out to the world. So to take a look at BookMerge / Extreme Biodiesel, we're happy to have them on. Next up, Manitou Gold, MTU, has announced that the intersect at 10.3 grams per ton over 6 meters. Manitou here has opened up 4 cents or 6.67%. So the market likes this news. This is from their Ken West project in Northwest Ontario. The company says it represents another step in the recognition of the exceptional gold. Those are their words, exceptional gold potential of the historical Gold Rock camp. Gold mineralization on the Ken West property has been identified within 2 parallel shear zones spaced 40 meters apart. The company says they recently reported, listen to this, a high-grade intersection of 53,700 grams per ton over half a meter. Now, I don't know if that's a typo or not because the first time I'm seeing that number, that's a massive number and sounds like a bit of an anomaly, but has to get your attention. That press release put out on February 28th if you want to take a closer look. Closed yesterday 60 cents, 28 on the 52-week low, $1.13 on the high, and like I said, right now 64 cents. So the market likes today's news. Next up, Balmoral Resources, BAR, announced that they intersected 10.5 grams per ton of gold over 9.7 meters and 10.58 grams over 6.9 meters. They say this confirms the presence of a broad, shallow core of high-grade gold mineralization. This is on their Manitou gold project. That hole intersected 3 high-grade gold-bearing intervals that was within a broader mineralized envelope, which returned about 2.6 grams of gold over 72.37 meters. They say this correlates well with revised assay results on another hole, hole 01, where they hit as high as 13 grams per ton of gold over 12 meters. That too was in a large mineralized envelope, 2.7 grams over 72 meters. So some nice numbers here. Closed yesterday $1.55, 94 on the low, $1.88 on the high. And looking at Balmoral today, they're up strong, 30 cents, 19.35% on 250,000 shares. Market loves this news. Switching over to China, Lifevantage announced their preliminary third quarter 2011 revenues. Why am I reporting this? Not all that glitters is gold. I like to give you a little taste. The company trades on the stock symbol LFVN. Here's what I like. These are preliminary revenue numbers. So the company is excited enough about these numbers that they're going to put them out before their 10Q. Looks like approximately $10 million. That's up 35% sequentially, 270% year over year. They closed yesterday at 95 cents. That's their 52-week high. Their 52-week low is 28 cents. That's a wrap. As always, quality over quantity. If you're watching this on Globe Investor and want more great resources news, look either below me or to the right of me, or to the left of me, sorry, depending on the page that you're on to see the news that we've covered over the past few days. Otherwise, if you're not on the front page of AGORACOM, get there, watch the show, take a look at the show over the past few days, look the best headlines right on the front page, and get into our marketplace to discover your next great small cap company. That's a wrap. Have an amazing week. Talk to you on Monday.